Hello Internet! Today we're continuing our assemblance of our do-it-yourself automated deposit machine, and to continue we need to go to a service and make a registration of our machine. For this reason you should go to cash-unit.com and find link for registration, which is in the middle of the page. When you hit registration, so you need to find to choose username for you. You need to enter your email, password, confirm password. You need to set a real name if you want, and solve mathematical captcha. Then after this you should receive an email to your email account. When you should confirm the link, and this would activate your account, so you will be able to log in. As you can see, so I followed the link for registration, for activation, and my account is now active. Now I can simply log in inside our system. So we log it in. So after successful login, we can continue registration of the terminal in our service. Here we need to go to terminals and push a button new terminal. Here so you can find a place for your terminal and put some kind of name for it. I for simplicity put here 1. Start date doesn't matter for now, but in this table you should check appropriate code value matching, and this information you can find in the manual of your bill validator's firmware. For now I will put here rubles because I don't have any other currency now, but for testing this is okay. And register the terminal. Now we've got one terminal here, so you can see, so there is a serial number, but to make it working we should also add a couple of services to this terminal. When you finished your terminal registration, so you could also edit it and change something. For example, you should carefully watch on this value, because this value represents right now money value with added cents. So in fact this is 10 rubles in our case. So, and this is how database value is stored in the database, because later it could be possible to add some kind of cents or add coin acceptor for these things. And to add another service, so we should go to services and push a button with a new service name. A new service name you need to give at least a name, for example cash in, and you need to give the currency for this service. That's all. So here, as you can see, so we added one service to the terminal which we already registered. Another thing which you should add, it's settings. The settings show you need to have at least a couple of settings here. So for example, first of all, it's a bill validator port. It's a bill validator. This is how it shows in your Raspberry Pi. So we're simply adding here with the 0 number. You should add at least printer port. New setting, printer port. This looks like this inside a Linux system. And you should also add monitoring if you want to upload all the statistics to the website. Monitoring equals upload. For now everything is okay, so we could return to the terminal. Everything is adjusted, so after that we will start the hardware itself, and we'll try to receive all the requirement setting and services to our deposit machine.